So one of the things I want to bring across to people who are in the engineering field is that things that you learn as part of your job, as part of your education, as part of this training, never leave you. And you never know when those things are going to come back and really be the basis for a next generation great idea. And a good example of that is work that I got involved with over 20 years ago. I had a program that I worked on where I was flying to California 1 week a month. I did that for 4 years, actually making a specific product. It was honeycomb panel for the aircraft industry. Did a lot of work there. It was a lot of fun, very grueling. However, it wound down as these things tend to do. And then for the next 10 years, I did almost nothing with honeycomb panels. 10 years later, a new challenge came up, looking at what we're now calling bimetallic systems. They're honeycomb panel-based systems. Why were we able to basically get involved in that technology? Because of all those things I learned 10 years earlier. We did an amazing amount of work. It was very successful, but of course that wound down as well. And that basically went dormant, and we didn't do anything with it for another 10 years. Now, today, with things that are going on in the aerospace industry, the class of products we're talking about, making high temperature structural materials, these basic concepts that we've been developing for the last 20 years in a cyclical fashion now are core